What? Where are you gonna go next, Hannah? Where are you going? What do you think you're gonna do next? What's she doing, Abby? What's she doing, huh? Is she gonna pull her leg up or is she gonna fall, huh? What you gonna do, Hannah? Pull your leg up or fall? Where's Hannah? Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Kinda. Kinda. Oh, I better help you before you fall, huh? Oh, maybe you're gonna get your leg up. Oh, can you do it? Abby, can she do it? Can she do it, Abby? You're looking, aren't you? Hannah. Where's Hannah?